Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change units on SketchUp. Alright, as you can see here, by default, SketchUp uses feet. For example, here I'm going to use this measuring tool right here. As you can see, this particular box right here is 19 foot 5. And when we select this box and go to default tray and entity info, it is on square feet. Now what we're going to do to change that is just basically go to our window right here at the top, then go to model info, and make sure to select units. All right, as you can see here, there are particular formats right here like architectural, engineering, fractional, and decimal. All right, in decimal you can go ahead and choose the drop down right here, and you can select feet, yards, millimeters, centimeters, and meters. All right, you can go ahead and select in the area as well, for inches, yards, millimeters, centimeters, and meters. Say for example I want to use decimal, then yards, area would be yards or square yards. All right, and when we use our tape measure tool right here, as you can see, it is set to yards as well. And that's basically how you change the units on SketchUp. All right, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.